so much for being here tonight and for being such a spectacular audience. The cast, the crew, the stage management team, company management, producers, theater owners, staff, everybody has donated their time and energy tonight for the Actors Fund. Since 1882, the Actors Fund has been the place to turn for people in our community when they need help. Today, the fund helps over 21,000 people a year, actors, dancers, musicians, everybody, with health care, social services, employment, housing, emergency, and other services. You can use your ticket envelopes to mail in donations, or you can see the people outside, Actors Fund volunteers who are here. You can also visit actorsfund.org to donate or to find out about other special Actors Fund performances. Thank you so much.